What if humans are not the first builders on Earth? What if the things we call inventions were already being used under our feet long before cities, long before roads, long before farming, long before organized armies? There were ants, small creatures with tiny bodies, but systems so advanced they almost look impossible. We like to believe civilization is a human idea. We build cities with roads, tunnels, storage rooms, nurseries, waste systems, and defense walls. But ants were building underground cities millions of years before us. Inside a colony, nothing is random. There are highways, there are chambers, there are food stores. There are nurseries where the next generation is protected. There are workers, soldiers, scouts, farmers, builders, and cleaners. No mayor, no written law. No architect holding a plan. And still, the colony moves like one living machine. Then comes farming. Humans think agriculture changed history, and it did. But ants reached that idea first. Some ants do not simply search for food, they grow it. Leafcutter ants cut pieces of leaves and carry them underground. But they do not eat the leaves. They use them to grow fungus, a living crop, a food system, a farm hidden beneath the soil. They protect it, clean it, feed it, and remove infections before they spread. Millions of years before human farmers planted fields, ants were already managing agriculture. And then there is war. Humans build armies. Ants do too. Some ant colonies invade others. They fight for territory. They raid nests. They defend borders. They use chemical signals to call reinforcements. Some even capture workers from other colonies. It sounds brutal, but it also sounds strangely familiar, because the deeper you look at ants, the more human they become. Or maybe, the more ant-like humans become. Ants also understand traffic. On a busy trail, thousands of bodies move without traffic lights. No police, no signs, no painted lanes. Yet they organize movement with scent trails, spacing, and constant adjustment. When a route becomes crowded, ants change paths. When food is found, the trail strengthens. When danger appears, the signal shifts. It is not chaos. It is communication, a living network. And if that sounds like the internet, that is because ants were using network logic long before humans built computers. Each ant is simple alone, but together they become intelligent. No single ant understands the whole colony, yet the colony can solve problems, locate food, repair damage, and survive disasters. This is called swarm intelligence. And humans now study it to design algorithms, robots, delivery systems, and even artificial intelligence. So the question becomes uncomfortable. Did humans invent civilization, or did we only build our own version of something nature already knew? Ants had cities, ants had farms, ants had armies, ants had roads, ants had waste management, ants had communication networks. Ants had teamwork so precise that a colony can act like one body. And maybe that is the real lesson. Human intelligence is loud. It builds towers, machines, and empires. Ant intelligence is silent. It moves through soil, leaves, tunnels, and chemical trails. But silence does not mean simple. Sometimes, the smartest systems on Earth are not the ones making noise. They're the ones working perfectly, while nobody is watching. So next time you see a line of ants crossing the ground, do not see insects. See an ancient civilization, one that built before us, farmed before us, fought before us, networked before us, and maybe understood survival better than we ever did.